former trainer and TL turned to be the entrepreneur business coach. It's been 2-3 years of roller coaster journey as an entrepreneur, and definitely I wanted to start a YouTube channel from very long time. So here I am starting now. And I really wanted to cover the topics which I was looking for in YouTube. Like basically, I really wanted to see the entrepreneur lifestyle, how it looks like, how do they schedule their work, how do they spend their time, what are their habits, what are the skill set they learn. So basically, I would be looking for these kind of information when I was actually looking for the YouTube channel. So similar way, I thought like, okay, while I'm also learning, it would be nice that even I also actually share the similar information through my channel to the entrepreneurs, solopreneur, or people who really wanted to start something online, being a single person or a solopreneur. So what we can expect from this channel is I will be mostly talking about the entrepreneur lifestyle, definitely not only my lifestyle, obviously other entrepreneur lifestyle, habits, probably what habits really changed my life and some of the different entrepreneurs or successful entrepreneurs lifestyle, and obviously the mindset. That is one of my main topic of any business. If we take, mindset is what matters a lot. If we do not have the right mindset, definitely it's going to be difficult to achieve, even start anything. To start something difficult also, we need to have the right mindset. So these are the main topics. You would be getting the videos relevant to entrepreneur lifestyle, entrepreneur habits, entrepreneur mindset, and few of the tips and tools about online businesses and many more. So basically this is for the entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, and especially women entrepreneurs. So you guys can go and continue to watch. I would be hoping to at least release one video per week. Today we are going to talk about the 5 key factors for the right mindset. Like before starting any business or before starting anything new, you could be a student as well. If you wanted to start something new, you need to have the 5 key factor on the mindset, like which can actually reshift your mindset. You can go ahead and watch the 5 main key factors which really change the mindset, and let me know what kind of a topics you would like me to cover in the future videos.
You know which is the most complicated operating system or machine in the world? Yes, it is human brain. Tuning the mind to get things done is the most difficult task. At the same time, if you tune your mind to focus on anything, believe me, you can achieve whatever you want in this world. I am going to show you 5 simple yet powerful keys to master your mind to manifest your success. The number 1 key is belief. First person you should believe in the world is you, because you know how important your dreams, you know what can make you happy and satisfied. So believe in your dreams no matter how big, small or impossible it looks, because it's your dream. The moment you start believing yourself, you will see things will change, how it looks, how it feels. The most complicated thing would look easy to achieve, and your belief would start affecting on the subconscious mind, which will help to take actions towards success. Second key is called break the fear. We all have that one fear or more than one which is stopping us to progress towards the success path. Let me tell you an example. If your dream is to become a public speaker, you would want to practice on your communication skills, grammar, vocabulary, etc. But beyond all this, if you have fear of facing the crowd or stage, this dream would always remain dream and it will never become a reality. So before mastering all other skills, you need to break the fear first. So I have a tip to break the fear. Just do it. Yes, you need to take action no matter how bad it is. Ignore what others are going to say. Consider the feedbacks but ignore the bullying, because you are already ahead of the people who talk behind you. End of the day, it's their perception. If we stop focusing on others' comment, 90% of the fear will go away. So just face your fear now. Third key would be break your comfort zone. How many of us have our own comfort place, people, work, and skill? Almost all of us, right? But have you ever wondered? Our own comfort zone might be the one of the obstacle for our own success path. If you never thought about it, just ask these 3 questions. Did I meet any new people recently? And when was it? Did I post any valuable things on social media or group at least once? Do I even learn one new thing for a day? It could be at least one word. Okay, I'm going to tell you one more example here. I speak very well with my friends, audience, and clients. Basically, I am called a talkative person or a talkative girl. But the moment I come in front of the camera, I become very conscious and I speak very artificially. So camera was my discomfort zone. But if I have to create videos for my students and audience, I have to come out of the comfort zone, and now here I am making videos, improving every day. So choose your one comfort zone and try to break that. Come out of the comfort zone to start your journey in the success path. The fourth key point is stop comparing. All of us would have gone through a stage. At least once in our life, we were compared with someone who is at a similar age, gender, education, skills, or industry, making their own path, but we are not doing the same thing what they do. I know all of us hate comparing us with someone else, which is right. But how many of us do the self-comparison with other people like celebrities, famous people, influencers, entrepreneurs, models, at least a friend who is making double income than us or living a better lifestyle than us? Nothing wrong with them. But you must be looking at the one phase of their life to reach that what struggles and sacrifices they have gone may be not visible for us. So if you wish their success to you, you should also wish and accept their struggles. So first thing we should understand, you are in the journey of your life, not anyone else's life. So you can always take inspiration from others, but do with your own styles and strategies because you are unique. Your big success may be nothing for someone else, doesn't mean it has no value because you worked hard for it. This comparison can demotivate you, make you worthless, or even make you lose your self-confidence. But what makes you happy and satisfied is only meant for you. Remember, you own every bit of it, you worked for it, and you deserve it. The last and important key point is take action. It sounds so simple. This is the main reason for us not achieving what we want. Because a lot of people think, plan, and learn many skills for our personal and professional life, but fail to execute in actions. You know what? A fool who takes action is better than an intelligent who never puts things into action. This means no matter how excellent you are in your skills, it does not give results until you put it into actions. And even if you feel you are average or worst at particular skills, but continue to take actions and progress towards it, believe you will become a better and better every time you pursue it. And definitely, you will become master at one point. So stop worrying to be perfect at anything, just do it. Sometimes it will be easy than what you thought. And you start the progress, you can feel the changes in you, and you figure out the next step gradually to reach your destination. Don't think, act now.
Thank you so much. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you would be keep notifying every week when I post a new video. Thank you so much. See you soon in the next video.